Hey Random, what's going on? Hey, I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you just to show you guys what I was talking about as far as how it works. So once you sign up for My Econ for the credit service and you get your account set up, this is what you're going to see. The way they're doing it is there's one sign up for people that want to work on their credit and one sign up for people that want to do the business. So it's all one sign up deal. It's not separate. So that's why you saw the information that you saw. But once you get set up and signed up, this is what you see when you log in. And all you guys would do is just go here to Smart Credit System. And once you get there, it's going to bring up the credit portal. And this is where you would just go to begin the credit. You click on 750 credit plan. And then from there, it brings you the modules that has everything in there, everything that you need to do your credit. It gives you not only just the things that you need, but also instructional videos and everything that you need to get your credit started. And this is the system that I use to help get my credit up 220 points. So it does work. So it has video on each module. The dispute letters are here. All you would do is just watch this video, and it tells you everything to do specifically for each module. Everything's already done for you. Like I said, here are the dispute letters. Everything is done. You don't have to worry about trying to figure anything out. So that's why I just wanted to make sure you guys knew. I know you was going to do some more research, but I just wanted to show you this is exactly the system that I use and how it works. So everything is there for you guys. So you don't have to worry about, again, trying to figure anything else out. All these modules are here, not only to help you to fix your credit, but also maintain your credit. So everything is lined up here step by step through all of these modules. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. But I just wanted to make sure you guys knew that when he signs up, it is for the credit restoration, the credit repair, not for the business. Okay.